This right here is a tool that every painter should have and every detailer should have. This tool will tell you exactly how thick your coating is. You want 2.2 mils of clear on top of your base, your pearl, your candy. The last layers that you want is that you want 2.2 mils of that clear coat. If not, every warranty from every company, doesn't matter who you're buying from, is going to be voided. They're not going to honor that warranty. And that's why 2.2 mil is the minimum needed to have full UV protection for almost every single clear on the market. So if you're not doing that, you need to find out exactly how much you're putting on, because if not, when these companies, you call the company and ask for a warranty, that's what they're going to ask you. Hey, put a mil gauge on there. I need to see exactly how much you put on, how much your film build is. Because if it's not that, you're going to be left holding the bag, and you're going to have to repaint something, or you're going to have to, have the painter repaint something because they didn't do something right. But that's the most common reason of why warranties are voided, and most common reason why your paint fades. Not the product themselves, but because of the fact they weren't properly applied. Now, yes, there are certain colors and certain products that are going to fade faster than others. Your clear coat's not your end-all, be-all, but if it's not laid down proper in the first place, that is usually the leading cause of your failure.